Yo, it's Lilith. I made an Osamason preset. This is the same preset from my old video over Osamason, if you've seen those. But the first thing I want to say is this Beatmaster and this master are $15 on benevolent.shop, but it comes with a Q3, not a Q4. So if you don't have Q4, or no, if you don't have Q3, let me know. I can get you with Q4, and then it'll be all good. So I did the song Frontin by Osamason. This is his song.
I know you front and you don't gotta hide nothing. I know I fucked up sometimes, not for nothing. You know you fucked up this time and ain't no running. Past for the rest and it's still coming. Came from nothing, you know I came from nothing. But they still do me wrong, yeah. Me and Poland and they all singing my songs, yeah. Need a couple more rights just to go and move on, yeah.
And this is what mine sounds like.
I know you front and you don't gotta hide nothing. I know I fucked up sometimes, but not for nothing. You know you fucked up this time, it ain't no running. Hands full, throwing racks and they still coming. Came for nothing, you know I came for nothing. But they still do me wrong, yeah. We in Poland, they are singing my songs, yeah. Need a couple more racks just to go ahead and move on.
That's the preset. It comes with these 3 ad-libs and the recording in the main. You can get them on benevolent.shop. You can get them on benevolent.shop. Right here, you can get the main for 15. You can get the template, which main recording ad-libs 25, and then right here's the master. Most people always ask me, how does it sound so good? And it really is the master. I'll be honest. The master carries a lot of it. But that's what the master should do. Like, the preset alone isn't a bad preset. Don't get me wrong. But without a master, it won't sound as good as it does in my videos or in my music alone. It won't sound as good. But, yeah. This is how you get it. So thanks for watching. Peace.